Welcome to the Nurtury Montessori School. My name's Brianna Banahan. I'm the owner and director here at the Nurtury. We are catering to children from infancy to 6 years old. We have 3 locations in Westchester County, one in New Rochelle, New York, one in Larchmont, New York, and the third in Rye Brook, New York. We are a true, authentic Montessori program. We have teachers that are certified in Montessori for infants, for toddlers, and 3 to 6 year olds.
So what attracted me to the Nurtury Montessori was proximity to our house. It was also the smaller daycare in the area, and I think we were looking for something that was very family-like and really kind of controlled in like a really family-like way.
I think the staff is truly exceptional. They love the kids like they're their own. It gives us such peace of mind every single day. They care for them in a way that makes us feel at ease. They always are striving to make our children better and encourage them to get to the next milestone.
What do I think of the facilities here? It's been really great. They really love the park and the playground that's right nearby. They go every day. Personally, at this location, everything is clean. They have everything they need. Everything is kind of scaled down to their size. They can do things by themselves.
What would I say to other parents looking for childcare in the area? I would say, look at the Nurtury. It's been the best decision that we've ever made, and I'm not just saying that. We tell all of our friends, all of our family, and I truly think that it's the best experience for your child. It allows them to be surrounded by different age groups. It allows them to socialize on a day-to-day basis. It's a very encouraging environment, so don't look further.
For more information, please visit our website, www.thenurtury-montessori.com. You can even schedule a tour, and we hope to see you soon.